right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the brushes panel. So if I go up to Window and we go to Brushes, we can select a brush and we can paint on our canvas here. So I will grab a brush and let's make this white, and I can select this and let's do that. And okay, it's not really cooperating like I thought it would, but that's okay. If we go back to our reference from the previous section and we went to the paint panel, or the workspace I should say, and again, for some reason, I cannot open up workspaces. I don't know why. A reset of the application would probably take care of that, but for right now, we're not going to fiddle with that. But what you can do, and I'll just talk about it, is you could select the brush here, select your color here, and then paint right here. Okay, that's really what it's for. So that is the brushes panel. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.